This video is brought to you by the Law Office of Norman Gregory Fernandez, a premier California personal injury law firm. Whether you're seeking justice or need guidance after an accident, our team is here to help you every step of the way. Visit us at thepersonalinjury.com for more information. Now let's get started. So, you're involved in a lawsuit. You probably think it's all about one big day in court, a dramatic showdown you've seen on TV. You're wrong. Long before you ever see a judge, your case enters a crucial phase called discovery. Listen to me, this is not a suggestion. It's the part of the legal process where both sides get to find out what the other side knows. It's about exchanging information, plain and simple. Each party can ask questions and request documents. It's designed to prevent surprises at trial. You don't get to hide things under your mattress and hope nobody finds them. The law demands transparency. Discovery is a broad term. It can mean handing over documents like emails. It can mean handing over contracts. It can mean handing over medical records. It can mean sitting for a deposition, where you answer questions under oath in front of a court reporter. And it means answering detailed written questions called interrogatories. These are sworn statements that require your careful attention. This is where you, the client, have to get involved. Interrogatories are a key part of discovery, and there are two main types you need to know about. First, form interrogatories. These are pre-printed questions created by the court covering the basics of most civil cases. You must answer every question, including all the subparts, like A, B, and C, no skipping. Next, special interrogatories. These are custom-written questions from the other side, tailored to your specific case. You must answer these special interrogatories too, fully and honestly, just like the form ones. Our law firm uses an online system for responding to interrogatories. We will email you a secure link, and you can simply click the link and type your answers online at your convenience. The key is to answer every question and every subpart. If a question has parts A, B, and C, you must answer all of them. Form interrogatories and special interrogatories are both serious. Missing a subpart or skipping a question can hurt your case. If you're unsure about a question or a subpart, ask Attorney Fernandez for help. But never leave anything blank. Remember, your answers to both types of interrogatories are given under oath. Take them seriously and answer every part. When our office sends you a packet of form interrogatories, these are written questions from the opposing side that you must answer under oath. It is now your turn to participate directly in your case. This is not something you can put on the back burner. You, as a party to the lawsuit, have a legal duty to respond. This isn't a request from our law firm, this is a command from the court system. We need you to focus on getting your answers back to our office within 10 days of receiving them. Yes, 10 days, the clock is ticking. The legal deadline for serving the final, formatted responses on the other side is 30 days, but we need time on our end. After you send us your draft answers, our legal team has to review them, put them into the proper legal format, add any necessary objections, and then prepare the final document for signing and service. Your delay creates a crisis for us and puts your case at risk, potentially waiving important objections or even leading to sanctions from the judge. If you read a question and you're completely stumped or you don't understand what it's asking, do not just leave it blank. Your job is to pick up the telephone and call the law office of Norman Gregory Fernandez for help. Our office number is 800-816-1529, extension 0. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. Listen up. First, read through all the questions to get a sense of what is being asked. Don't start answering right away, just read. Second, gather any documents you might need. Police reports, medical bills, photographs, contact lists. Having these materials handy before you start writing will save you a lot of time and aggravation. Next, answer each question one by one. Write your answers clearly. Be direct. Start with yes or no when required, then explain. Don't ramble, only describe events if asked. Answer only the question asked. Pay close attention to the subparts. A, state the date. A, state the time. A, state the location. You must answer A, B, and C. Finally, after writing all your answers, review them. Let's talk about what happens if you don't do your job. If you fail to provide answers on time, the other side's lawyer isn't just going to forget about it. They have a legal duty to their client to pursue this information. They will file a motion with the court to compel your response. This means they will tattle on you to the judge, and the judge will not be happy. Judges see this as a fundamental breakdown of the legal process. And here's the kicker. The judge will almost certainly order you to pay the other side's attorney's fees. These are called monetary sanctions. It's a penalty for wasting everyone's time. And the court's time is considered extremely valuable. These financial penalties can be hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It's money coming out of your pocket simply because you didn't follow the rules and meet the deadline. It's a completely avoidable expense. I see it in my courtroom every day. I was busy. I forgot I didn't think it was important. I tell them what I'm telling you now. The rules apply to you. The consequences can get even worse. If you ignore a court order to answer the interrogatories, the judge has even more power. They can issue what are called evidence sanctions. For example, if you failed to disclose the name of a key witness, the judge can forbid you from calling that witness to testify. They can also issue terminating sanctions, the death penalty for a lawsuit. The judge can simply dismiss your entire case. Ultimately, the success of your case depends on the information you provide during discovery. Your answers to these interrogatories lay the groundwork for everything that follows. Don't be your own worst enemy.
You may call us 7 days a week, 24 hours a day on our California Personal Injury Hotline at 800-816-1529. Or go to callnorman.com now.
Callnorman.com. Car accident, slips and falls. There's just one place you should call. Callnorman.com.